Okay, angle of friction. Now we have to define it, and we have to find out relation with coefficient of friction. So you see, this is an object, okay, and weight of object downward direction. Now reaction, when weight of object is this, then reaction will be in this direction. Okay, now force applied in this direction, we are applying some force on it. So applied force, we can write here, this is applied force. So we know force of friction will act in this direction. This is force of friction. Suppose the object is not moving and it is just begin to slide, so we can say this is limiting friction, maximum static friction. Okay, now these are two forces, one is reaction force and this is Fs. So if we draw a parallelogram, we can find out, this is a parallelogram, and we can find out resultant of this. So resultant of this will be this one. This is resultant of, this is resultant of Fs and R, Fs maximum. Okay, and this is making angle theta with R. This is angle of friction, this theta, okay, between the reaction and resultant of Fs and reaction is called angle of friction. So again I am defining it. Angle of friction can be defined as the angle which the resultant of limiting friction and reaction makes with the reaction, okay, with the normal reaction. So this is angle of friction. Now let us find the relation. Okay, so from this triangle, suppose this is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So in triangle OAB, okay, tan theta will be equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular AB upon OA. AB is how much? AB is Fs. So Fs maximum upon R. Okay, Fs maximum upon R is what? This is mu, coefficient of friction, static friction. So tan theta equal to mu s. So coefficient of, we can write here, coefficient of static friction equal to tangent of angle of friction. Okay, now next topic is angle of repose. Angle of repose. So angle of repose, suppose an object is placed at inclined plane like this. This is angle theta, okay, or theta or phi. Theta we have taken already, so we write it phi. Okay, now when an object is placed here and just begin to slide, so it will slide in downward direction. So force of friction will act in this direction, force of friction. Okay, weight of the object always act vertically downward. Weight is not normal to the surface, weight is actually the vertically downward. This is the weight. Okay, now we take two component of this. This is a vector quantity, and we take two component of this One is this one and other is this. So this angle is phi. This angle will also phi. So this will be mg cos phi and this will be mg sin phi. So one component of weight will exert force on this object. Okay, its own weight, not total weight, but only a component, that is mg sin phi, will act downward and just try to slide it on this. But a force of friction, static friction, if it is at rest, then that will act in opposite direction. Okay, and direction of normal reaction will be this. This will be normal reaction. Okay, so what happened in the balance condition? Fs equal to mg sin phi and r equal to mg cos phi. Fs equal to mg sin phi, r equal to mg cos phi. Okay, now we assume here that a body placed here just begin to slide down. Okay, if little force is increased here, then it will start to slide. So just begin to slide. So at that conditions are these. Okay, from here if we divide them, then we get Fs upon R equal to tan phi. We divide these two equations, sin phi upon cos phi, tan phi. Okay, so Fs, this is again maximum, this will be maximum, limiting, upon R equal to tan phi. And from this equation we know Fs upon R equal to what? That is equal to tan theta. So we can write tan theta equal to tan phi. Okay, so what is the angle of repose in this? So it is the minimum angle that an inclined plane makes with the horizontal when a body placed on it just begin to slide down. Okay, we are varying here, varying angle is this. Okay, horizontal plane is just adjusted, inclined plane is just adjusted with horizontal, so that if we increase the angle from this, then what happened? The body begin to slide. So this is the minimum angle that an inclined plane makes with the horizontal, with when a body placed on it just begin to slide down. So clear? This is tan theta equal to tan phi.